from the Meiteis, and this given to the welfare for the Manipur and all the Manipur people, all the communities. This tax is given to all of them. It's not only to the Meiteis. And we are very depressed, Mr. Prime Minister. Look, your welfare scheme is not beneficial to the Meiteis. And now please get back all the relief camps people to their localities. It's our demand. Why? And this Assam government, why bias against the Meiteis? Why? From our taxpayer using all the tax to this Assam effort, and they are pointing their guns to us. Why they kill Meiteis? Why bias against the Meiteis? Why? Central government is not spending money to, they are trying to black Northeastern. Northeastern that they want to black. We really know that. And all the people who shouted just to save our Manipur and UPA is imposed to them. Why? Just put some words to all the people, to all the individuals who shouted to our Manipur. Why UPA is imposed to them? We really condemn that. We want that